Hello, good morning and the people who are watching the video. My name is Rodrigo Rojas Fuentes, a student of CC10 by the Charco 2. Today I'm going to present you video with the purpose way about to express a person who inspires me continue. Since the work was commissioned by Professor Brenda Liliana Cano, the person that will tell you about today, and because it will be two people who are my friend Juan Martin and my English teacher for Rafael Hernandez High School, in which they feel tell about the friend Juan. And continue. Past life. Simple past. We Tom at the boot, he is one of best friends and which he is student with me since he was 6 years old. He worked a lot during the mornings and school and the afternoon. His parents, he always did his homework with complaint. He always shared his windows with an expectation and life or at school. He believed what this life was, even though he has not hands up at the time me that everything being ugly. He does not present you form doing many things. He down with us form the protects the unloved and defeated adversity of life, and showed me that if you have willpower, you can do whatever you want. Professor Rafael Hernandez Simple Past. With Tom and Dom, he is one of the best English teachers that I ever met in the life in which never believed and loved a teacher so much was his affection than before I'm like me to say Father Rafa. He always worked in the excellent one even today. He liked to think his student the affection and admiration every time we were no excellent student at the beginning. He showed many generation that is you work hard later and you will find achievements and limits and you never think you will achieve. He always surprised everyone, ever me. He was in tune in super causes. He greatly admired the hopes that my collects in me did, regardless of when, how much and which what cost me to them because in God am the best of me. He is my father Rafa. Achievements present perfect. My friend Juan Martin, he has become a person who has had many things to achieve and high level of study. He has gained many contacts in which then he has many opportunities to do many things. He has managed to have admiration and respect for what makes a great person. Since now he has had a great urge to do many things, had the simple joy of doing things. He has achieved many topics in sport activities. Achievements perfect present. Teacher Father Rafa. He has achieved something that many teachers have not achieved, the affection, admiration and respect of 90% of the students of campus. He has had the opportunity to study the largest college in the United States and England. He has gained many opportunities for students to be prepared people. He has the opportunity to have great positions before the institutions. He has managed to enter English skills for students who are well prepared. Because I'm admire my friend Juan and not because they are on the friends. That I have no eyes. I was very young, very admitted we have been done many things, done things hunting. He always thanks the impulse of honor in many things, even things that seem insignificant. He also told then you should never be afraid of the adversity of the life. Also when you see a way that you use and the values to your family tongues, how honesty, love, sympathy, and humility. You will be very great before a group the companions, and you will be able to form peace among. Also, a mirror, my father Rafael because science ignored his always gave me reason to believe and me, despite the fact that many said other ways. He also showed me affection and respect for the world school. In life and even the student, he has always been to help us. Consequently, impulse myself to give me best the deliver jobs and good way, with the purpose of having a life with other cleanliness, and that he will never forget we he these things, since the last ones we say each other. In was two moments I can't remember everything he has told me. Thanks for me. Hope you liked it there. Only next time.